Did you know that you can make music with 3D printers? Well, more specifically, the A1 series printers from BambuLab. Well, today I'm going to show you how to do just that. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into some music making, I guess. Now, for those of you that aren't aware, there actually aren't any buzzers or speakers on the BambuLab A1 series printers. So you may be wondering, how do the A1 series printers make sound when you turn the printer on and when a print finishes if there's no buzzers or speakers? Well, this is because the A1 series printers use their motors to vibrate at different frequencies, creating different sounds. Now, if you head to the A1 Minis page on the BambuLab website and scroll to the bottom, you'll find a section all about this with a link to their MIDI to G-Code generator. This is how we'll be creating the music that we want to play on our printer. Now, luckily, all this isn't new to me as I have a background in music and I have experience with MIDI files and MIDI controllers. Now, if you don't have any experience with MIDI files or MIDI controllers, then don't worry, I'll walk you through how to create a couple of songs without using a MIDI controller whatsoever. Simply load up the MIDI to G-Code generator, choose your instrument, and use the pen tool to draw the notes you would like your printer to play. Once you have finished writing your masterpiece, select which motor you would like to play the file, which can be found under the instrument, and then export the G-Code file. There are 3 different motors on the BambuLab A1, so if you want to take your tracks to the next level, you can actually create separate tracks, one being bass line, one being the melody, and you can even do a drum track and have one motor play each separate track. Once you've finished, simply grab the SD card out of your A1 printer, connect it to your computer, and then just drag that G-Code onto the models file, which you will then be able to access on your printer. Once you've plugged the SD card back into your printer, go to print where you usually would, and you should see the G-Code there, which you can just play straight from the printer itself. Now, if you want to change the startup sound or the finished print sound, then you can do that by opening your G-Code in a notepad, copying it, and then pasting it into the machine start G-Code section and machine end G-Code section of your printer properties inside Bambu Studio or Augur Slicer. Then save that as a new preset, and every time you send a print now on from that preset, those sounds will be made. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you do this, let me know what songs and masterpieces you've created, or feel free to tag me in videos. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, happy printing.